So forgive me for saying son. I missed the first name. What do you do otherwise besides what we're
And we get some dark bean cherries.
So I'm a senior in Jacobs.
right?
Thank you.
Why? Cool.
She's my sister. So
Oh, that's your sister.
yeah.
You work with your sister. You haven't killed her yet? Oh yeah, you look. Wow.
And we get some fresh orange juice that goes with bananas.
Beautiful sister, you're a lucky guy.
So is he a good guy? Is he a good guy?
He's a good guy, yeah.
He is?
And we get some
I like him.
You're
lemon
in choir,
juice
so what do you think?
for the cherries.
No, I mean...
He's a good singer. He sang at my wedding.
I did. Where do you
No
go to college?
soprano or what?
ECC for right now. I'm a tenor.
Tenor? Yeah. Well, sing something for us.
If I had prepared something, you know, I would.
Sing anything. Come on, say something.
Don't torment the poor boy, Dad.
We did that to Christian. Came up with something.
Yeah, well, Christian didn't have to do that in front of strangers.
Well, he does it in front of strangers all the time.
In a group.
So?
And the bananas we're putting a rum and a cream de banana. Cherries usually we're putting a cognac and a cherry liqueur. Kirsch.
We
Cognac.
get a special table with everything on it. Okay, here it comes.
Whoa. Jeez.
Like awesome.
See, the only thing missing here is the fresh stuff.
I had my girlfriend over at her apartment.
What's that?
Maybe a little buzz from
Gone for the weekend, so I had her over.
A little bit.
If you believe, Andrew burnt the place down.
And we get